versus Spring Collection Blueberry. Now moving up down on the inside, Tito Jean on the outside. Apple the sub Smart Winner, then followed by Spartan and Double Black is the early trailer. Now we have the outstanding favorite, Blueberry, goes on by Oralenga. Spring Collection in second, Tito Jean in third, 5 lengths for the back in fourth, Apple the sub Spartan, Smart Winner, and too far behind is Double Black. Inside the half mile, Blueberry traveling nice and easy by about 2 lengths. Spring Collection still in second. Tito Jean remains in third. Apple the sub in fourth. Here comes Spartan in fifth. Smart Winner and Double Black still running at the tail of the field with Blueberry by about 2 lengths. Spring Collection, Apple the sub now coming closer on the outside third. And moving up by the fourth is Spartan, Tito Jean, Smart Winner, and Double Black. As they come down at the last of the day, Blueberry, while the rider Jackie J.B. Hernandez still with Double Wrap. And in second is Apple the sub is Spartan. Blueberry, Apple the sub in second. And nearing the finish line, it's number 1, Blueberry. Apple the sub is Spartan, Spring Collection, Smart Winner, Tito Jean, and Double Black.
For your race number 2, the outstanding favorite entry number 1, that is Blueberry, skippered by JB Hernandez, ang ating unofficial winner. Segundo dito, numero 5, Apple the sub. Third is entry number 3, Spartan. At para sa inyong quartet, kinukumpleto yan ng numero 2, Spring Collection. 1, 5, 3, and 2 po ang ating unofficial placing. Muli po natin babalikan ang kakatapos lang na karera.